Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Which index option to choose for tomorrow, whether it's a call option or put option, which strike price will give you a maximum benefits. So all these things will be discussed in this short video. First of all, thanks for subscribing and giving me the support. Please refer your friends to make this a big. This video is created only for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk and consult your financial advisor before investment. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. So today I am just going to discuss on a different perspective, and today I have plotted this hourly chart of Nifty. So you can see this 9,300 level, so acting as a kind of major resistance for the Nifty over a period of time. Almost from the 16th March it is taking like first time rejection over here, and then it dropped down to this 7,500 level, and then second time over here, and then third time over here. So the same rejection can happen tomorrow or in the coming couple of days before the month's expiry, and you can expect Nifty to go down up to this level. If the same thing happens for the expiry, you can expect the same thing to happen over here, and it can fall back before the expiry. But option chain data are not suggesting the same drop over here. It is suggesting it might drop up to this 9,200 level, or maybe up to this 9,000 level. So that is a kind of very good thing which you have to look at. And even the May month's expiry, May month's contracts also, like the put option at 9,000 and 8,000 put options are getting built up. So it suggests like this 9,000 and 8,000 levels are very strong kind of support for the Nifty to move down. And if you go to the Bank Nifty is little opposite. There it was resisting the movement from going up, whereas in Bank Nifty it is giving a support at this 19,000 level. So you can see the first it took a support over here on the same 19th, somewhere in the 19th April, and then it went up, and then it took a kind of resistance over here, and then it went up. After that it's giving a kind of major support, first support, second support, and then third support. So in the coming couple of days it might drop from this 20,000 level to this 19,000 level. So when the Nifty fall back up to the 9,200 to 9,100 level, the Bank Nifty can move down to the 19,000 level in the next couple of days. And it's a pure sideways market. You can see the RSI is trading between this 40 and 60 zones. It is not moving up, or it is not withstanding the 60 plus or 40 below levels. So it is a kind of sideways movement. So you have to wait and watch whether it's a consolidation or a distribution phase. So let us go to the kind of option chain data. So because it is a kind of monthly expiry, and this 9,000 level is the point where it is having a major pain. So this is, I was discussing for the last couple of sessions also. So 14 lakh contract at call option side, and then 32 lakh contract at put option side. So almost a kind of 45 lakh open interest at 9,000 level. So this is where you can expect Nifty to close around, and if given a kind of very good support from this level, so you can see this will act as a kind of major support for tomorrow or day after tomorrow's trade, and this could act as a kind of major support for the Nifty to move little up, or maybe from dropping down. Once this is broken, it might go down up to this 9,000 level. So that is why I said like 9,200 is a very good level to watch for Nifty. And with the Bank Nifty, 19,000 levels is too way far. So before which this 20,000 level itself will act as a kind of major support, and then if it drops below this 19,500, and then further it goes down to 19,000 level, 19,500 to 19,000 level, when Nifty hold its position from 9,200 to 9,000 levels. And global market today it is somewhat neutral. There is no major movement in the global market. Let us go to the recommendations. So for tomorrow, my expectation is Nifty might drop back to 9,200 to 9,100 level. So I am suggesting a OTM put option, 9,100 put option. Only one suggestion for tomorrow, 9,100 put option, or if you want to be little safe, you can go ahead with 9,200 put option. So 9100 is a first one, and then if you are want to be little safe and to be little in the market, so you at the market you can go ahead with 9200 put option. So this will give you a kind of very good positive moment tomorrow. And the same thing for bank nifty, 19800, which is almost closer towards the at the money, so nothing to worry about. So tomorrow it might be in the market, and it will give you a very good profit. So for nifty, 19100 put option or 9100 put option or 9200 put option, and for bank nifty 19800 put option. So these two are the recommendations for tomorrow. Have a profitable and a successful trading day ahead tomorrow. Bye. Thank you.